you are quas. You see? Can't see. You people can't see. Niman Somaliyeed waa ka soo carare nin madowba iga keenay aniga you know Somalida guskina ka shaqeeya gus balaq guso saan you see them I will teach you a lesson Somalida ko hello San you gonna teach me a lesson with this. We've moved on we know there are better things out there nimanka madowga wallahi. Okay, aniga nin Somali waligine guma arkis doontaan. I'm just telling you right now. You will never see me with a Somali nigga. I am done with them. They can't fuck. Gus was sidan or balak. Malin kasta I'm telling you people, stop sigeso. Sigeso is make your gus balak. You don't want to hear. Hada wa baba mano sen baba. Nagi waiting ka arare. Aniga hada qof. Ninka sidaan jeclahay okay I don't want to hear Somali nin Somali qashin faarax damn don't come to me and send me messages. I'm done waan ilbaxay saday oh my god oh shit fuck wallahi hablo Somalida please nimanka Somaliyeed hawasina go out there explore wallahi billahi tallahi waxaan yaro san if you try other people out there you're gonna be crazy. I think it's yesterday wallahi one chirira all day oh Somali oh my god you guys supposed to do better you know I'm telling you sige sada you have to stop sige so it's not good for you. Gus becomes balak because it's like a skin. It's like nasa marka tuchinaysid halkan ay gaaraysa. You see it's like ilmaha marka nasa nuugan nasi way dhacayaan. Guskana waa sidaas. The whole time you're masturbating become balak. Stop sige so dilo soo qaado $10 pay gare was si fiican was gare maxaa sil wala gada maxaa suu dibaysa guski tabcaan buu noqonaya guso balaq oo naf lahayn